Well, guys, it has been a hectic day. Like, real hectic. And I got up 2 hours early this morning. I guess you really don't want to hear about all that, but today has been the day from whatever. So much that I don't even know where. I'm just mind dead. I mowed grass for a couple hours, so I wouldn't have to do that. The big thing was I went out to start my car and move it. Now that really wouldn't make any difference because it didn't. The problem is it wouldn't start. It was stone dead, 100% boom. Now it's a car that when you turn the ignition off, everything goes off by itself anyway. And I don't, it sits out to where I didn't see where it was. But we drove around yesterday, got dinner, went here, went there, because Sarah's car is in the shop. So we got to go get Sarah's car, but meanwhile I got to get my truck out of the garage. So I went to get the truck out of the garage, and my car wouldn't start. So I had to play with that, get another battery just to jump start it, and it was just downhill ever since then. Well, I'm trying to get something out of this log, and the reasons I haven't sawed it is because this is about a 1.5 log. You see all the big cracks in it here, cracks, rot. It should have been firewood. But I got that Jeep, look at this crack. You got to say no to crack. That Jeep engine's got to go out, so I need some pallet, some cribbing, boxwood, I don't know. So I'm going to take a slab off this thing here. Take a slab off this thing here. That's a little tight there. And just a face cut, because who knows where it's at, because it's been sitting here for, you guys probably know better than me, a month. Getting dark, I'm running out of daylight. Went in town to try to get a battery, and they didn't have battery in town. Or they had a battery, but it wasn't in my price range. Well, I went to Walmart, and they didn't have one. Then I went to another place, and it was $220. And I thought that was a little strong for a car battery. That was, there was an auto parts store in town, so I went to the auto parts where I normally got to, and they got it down to I think 199 or something like that, which is still pretty strong. But then I called up Battery Warehouse. That's where I've been getting most of my batteries, but you got to drive up to Westminster to get it. So I figured if I don't know, they got a better warranty up there. It's AC Delco battery. They got one in stock, so I'm gonna go up there probably tomorrow and get it. Meanwhile, got to get this thing going, and tomorrow's getting ready for the party for Saturday that's going on here. Then Friday is the go up to the Hope thing. So I got some oil to change the oil in the lickety log splitter, and then I bought some ramps today, which I might show you later if I get a chance, because I'm not sure if all these old guys up there splitting wood, if Shive's up there, he'll get that splitter off there. So anyhow, I'm gonna start this thing up and try to get something out of it. Now boom, I'm not sure what. I don't even know if I remember how to run this thing or start it. Let's see, there's a button over here. Cut and then a 4-inch board for I'm making a pallet, so that's where I'm shooting for. I don't have any good safety glasses back here, the ones I like. You're going to get a lot of sawdust, I think. Oh, I forgot to turn the RPMs up. It's been a while. go to 10. Should give me a 1 3/4, which is fine for a pallet. I don't really care what it is. Gotta go move it. Top of the pallet, I'm going to pull some 2s, so I'm going to 8. Whoops, I went a little bit too far. That's the flooring for the pallet. Back this way. Now I don't know how far I'm going to get, but I think I'm going to use this trash wood for the sides. So down, I'm going to put the other one back on. Let's see. I'm not sure how I'm going to do this. And then pull some fours. might be all the sawing I do tonight. I think I can get the pallet is 36 by, if I can get 34 out of it, I'm going to do that. So if I can square this up at the end to get 3 34s, which I measured it, but I already forgot. All right, let's go. Let's see what we're at here. Looks pretty decent at this end for a pallet. Oh man, that's amazing. So we'll leave that there. We'll come down and see if I can get a 34 out of it, which would be about there. Then I need a 68, I guess. 68. I don't know if that leaves me a 34 or not. It might leave me just enough though. That leaves me a 32. You know something, that's going to be enough because this is just a pallet. So if it's an inch short on the front, that's just going to be the center one. So I got to get some cutting done. Then those are going to be some other part, and I probably need, I don't know if that it's going to be 36 inch long. I got to start figuring out what's going on. So I'll be back in a little bit. Making little boards out of big boards. I guess you can see what I'm doing in there, can't you? I think so. Maybe it'll come apart on this run here. Yeah, it's not too bad. All right. There's where we're at here. This one could be, I'm gonna mark this top. Of course I didn't bring a pencil. This is top, top, top. So this one's gonna go here. This one's gonna go here. And the one that's an inch shorter go here. Yeah, 2 inches short. Won't make any difference. Now they got to go 36 inches. 36 inches is the width. Didn't bring a tape either, did I? I'm trying to beat the dark. All right, what do we got here? 36. So 36, what's half of 36? Right about there. I got a roller there. Yeah, we can come a little up. Got something here too. I don't know what's there. Just trash. All right. There's a roller that way too. Oh well, I got to go lay it out in a different spot, I guess. How close am I to 34 on the money? 34 16th of an inch shy. All right, I'm gonna go lay it out and I'll be back. I'm gonna take it up to I'm gonna take it up to the house where I got light, because it's getting dark pretty good. It's 7 o'clock, so I only got another half hour of light. The floor 36, so I think I'll probably bring that big piece down here. So moving stuff around, I'll cut that big piece. It's actually too long. What, 16 and 16, 34. I might have to rip that down. So stay tuned. Alright, I got things switched around. I'm going to cut 16 1/4. That's a little wider, and that's about 16 1/2. I'm going to go 16 1/4 and then go 8, and that's going to be the floor in this thing. Then I got to cut it off at 36 inches, so I should have, pretty sure I'll have enough. Anyhow, put your ears back on. Got to go around. Calculating. My brain ain't working at all tonight. I think I got the 36 long ways mixed up with the width. So I'll bring it back in a minute. Well guys, this is what I got so far. Nothing's nailed together. It's fairly square enough for a pallet to hold an engine. I'm gonna blast the nails in there with a pass load, except for the battery's dead in that. So I just thought I'd bring it along for the end of it. I'd have you on a tripod, except for the tripod's back at the sawmill. So I'll get this done, and then I guess go at it from there. Get the engine on it, try to start to secure the engine down to it, and then build a box around it. So that's where I'm at. We'll see you guys in a little bit. Or do me a favor, hit the like button, subscribe, and send it to a friend. The sawmill still runs, but boy was I rusty. We'll see you, bye.